What are you doing today? I'll show you how wonderful these little cheap hoppered up locks are. Kind of looks like a master lock. Alright, it's unlocked. Pretty stout, huh? Well, they only keep on us. I wish I had my tripod with me. I don't have experience doing this, so get it about. This finesse, a little finesse. Wish I had my tripod. I put this in a vise would help a lot too. Damn it. I had it open. Damn it. I'm trying to find that sweet spot. Uh-huh. Damn it. There you go, boys and girls. She's unlocked. Sometimes I can do it a little faster. Okay. You see right here where this little, damn it, keeps doing it. See, it's locked, right? Well, you want this very little tension. See, it's very little tension. Some of the master locks are a lot harder. Not possible. See how there? Boom, boom. I mean, I guess it's okay for like a gym locker. That's what I use it for. I had nothing really valuable in there. Just my clothes and take my keys in my truck and put it in the locker when I go to the gym, so I don't have them bouncing around when I'm trying to work out. But it's so easy. Damn, see? So damn easy. Oh, the pin slipped. Oh, there it goes. You want to get line about, that's enough pressure for these. You want it right just there, resting. But you got to work here a little bit of pin to get a release. That's enough tension right there in that little stud or whatever, that rivet. So you can do it with that. This jury got the pin slipped. See, this releases the tension. Get it popped up off that little rivet. See, release the tension. That's hard again. Get it just right about. Try to get you just to slide over just a little bit. Come on. Come on, girl. Anyway. Anyways, it's hard to do. Trying to look at the camera and try to slip these pins. Anyway, that's how you do it. Damn. Just a little finesse. Little finesse. Alright, girls. Alright.